So guys, in today's video, I will teach you how to convert a normal video into an anime using your phone, of course totally free and only in just 2 minutes. Which is currently trending a lot. So if you also want to learn, just keep watching the video till the end. So let's start this video. So first of all, you need to open the Play Store in your phone, and search for the Video Leap app. Once you find it, you need to open it and install it. When I click to install it, the installation will begin. After installing, you need to open it, and such an interface will appear in front of you. You need to click on Accept and Continue. After that, this page will appear. You need to click on Skip here. After that, it will ask you to sign in. So, here you can sign in with your Google account, email, or Facebook account. I will choose Continue with Google, and after choosing any Google account, I will continue with it. Then, this kind of page will open. You need to click on this Close button and close it. After that, such an interface will appear. You need to click on Allow. Now you are on the Video Leap app's homepage. Here, you need to click on this plus icon and then click on New Project. Here, it is asking for storage access. You need to allow it. Then, your phone's gallery will open in front of you. From here, you need to choose the video you want to convert into an anime. I will choose this video. After that, you need to click on Add to Project. Then, an interface like a video editor will appear in front of you. I suggest you to keep your video less than 10 seconds in duration. Here, I split my video. I will keep it something like 7 seconds long. After that, you need to click once on your video, and from below, you need to click on the first option, AI Effects. After that, you need to swipe it to the right. Here, the last option is shown as AI Anime. You need to click on it. After that, such an interface will come. Here, many anime styles are given. You can choose any style you want. I choose this natural from here. Now you can see that our video processing is going on. It will take a little time. You need to wait a few seconds here. You can see here that our video is ready successfully. Let's play it and see the result. If you don't like the result, you can try again by choosing another option from below. Once you are satisfied with the result, you need to click on this Export button given in the top right corner. After that, you need to click on Export Settings. Increase the resolution of your video from 720p to 1080p and then come back. After that, click on the Save Video button. Your video export will start. During exporting, do not close the app. Let me show you the final result now. Split the starting part of your video to remove the watermark. If you want a tutorial like this one for your computer with the best results, just let me know in the comments. I will make a separate video about it. Alright friends, I will wrap up our video now. Before that, I would love to hear about your experience. Share your thoughts and results in the comments section below. Don't forget to like this video if you found it helpful, and subscribe to our channel for more amazing tutorials like this one. Thank you so much for watching, and until next time, happy creating!